Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how can we use Samsung tablet as a secondary monitor. So for this we need a common software, that is Space Disk for laptop and tablet both. Space Disk, yeah, it is. Now I'll get in my PC. Space Disk. For my case, I'll select Windows 10 or 11. Windows 10 or 11 64-bit. Download it fast. Download is going on. This is the downloaded file, and I'm going to install this software in my laptop, so you can read all the terms and conditions. Next, install. Finish. Okay, Space Disk driver. You see, under the communication interfaces we can add the tablet's monitor as secondary monitor through network adapters, USB cable driver, Android, USB cable ISO. Now I'll show you how can you connect through network adapters. So for that you have to connect both laptop and tablet in same network. And now I'm going in my tab and now press the plus button, add button, and enter the IP. We will input the IP over here. Now getting in PC again, go to display setting, multiple displays, connect. What's wrong? Let me check it. No displays are available, so I'll try from this connection. Display. Oh, now it is connected. You see, extend this display right side. So I'll keep the secondary monitor in right side. You see, this display is using as touch screen. This is how we can extend monitor, and you will get more good result if you use a USB cable. It is not difficult for you to connect through USB cable driver. You can try it yourself. I hope you will success on it. So this was all in my short video. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.